In 2026, working harder is no longer the secret to wealth. Working smarter with artificial intelligence is. What if I told you that you could build a $5,000 per month passive income stream without showing your face, without a massive budget, and without spending 40 hours a week? The old economy is fading. The AI economy is taking over. Today on AI Wealth Pulse, I'm going to show you the exact 3-step blueprint to launch an automated AI business that generates cash while you sleep. This isn't science fiction. This is your new reality. The strategy is simple. We are building an automated niche channel. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be the architect. Here is step 1. Pick a high-value niche. Don't just make random videos. Focus on where the money is: finance, tech reviews, or health. Advertisers pay top dollar for these audiences. For this example, let's choose future tech trends. Step 2 is automated research. Forget spending hours on Google. Go to Perplexity AI. Ask it, what are the top 5 trending future technologies in renewable energy? Perplexity will give you accurate source data in seconds. This is your script foundation. Now let's turn that data into a video. For the script, feed your research into ChatGPT or Claude and ask for a YouTube-optimized script with a viral hook. Next, the voice. Stop using those robotic, fake-sounding voices. Use ElevenLabs. Clone your own voice or pick a professional narrator that sounds indistinguishable from a human. It builds trust. Finally, the visuals. You don't need a camera. Use stock footage sites or AI video generators like Runway Gen 2 or Mootion to create stunning visuals that match your script. Combine them in CapCut, add automated captions, and you have a professional documentary-style video produced in under 2 hours. So, how do we hit that $5,000 mark? YouTube ad revenue is just the start. The real wealth comes from affiliate marketing. In your video description, place links to the AI tools or tech products you mentioned. If you review a software, link to it. With a focused audience, you only need a few thousand views to start generating significant commissions. Combine ads, affiliates, and eventually your own digital guides, and $5,000 a month becomes the floor, not the ceiling. The tools are here. The opportunity is now. The only missing piece is you. Which niche are you going to dominate in 2026? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and master the AI economy, make sure to hit that subscribe button. This is AI Wealth Pulse. See you in the future.